The tool which has made this possible is the high-speed digital computer.
Hello and welcome to CleverIT. My name is Moise. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Windows 10 Technical Preview. The Windows 10 Technical Preview is the latest version of Windows, the successor to Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. The Technical Preview is essentially a first look at what Microsoft expects that the operating system is going to look at when it finally launches, which is expected to be sometime next year. We've taken a look, we've kind of dug around just a little bit, nothing too major, more surface type of things, but we wanted to give you a look at it as well. So we have a machine here running Windows 10, and we're going to dig in and take a look. Now, there aren't any significant changes to the operating system, at least on the surface. It's very superficial changes, but at the same time, very significant changes. What that basically means is that they've done away with a lot of the things that we didn't like about Windows 8, that a lot of people didn't like about Windows 8. They've reintroduced a proper start menu, or at least what we believe is what should be a proper start menu. This is very much what I think a lot of us in the industry expected Windows 8 to be. It, in a lot of ways, is also Microsoft's mea culpa. This is them admitting that they did wrong without really admitting that they did wrong, and basically bringing us something different that addresses a lot of these concerns. So, without further ado, let's jump in and take a look. This is the main desktop, so this is exactly what you would expect to see when you first log in to Windows 10. When you first put in your password at the login screen, or your PIN, or your pattern, or your picture, or whatever you've chosen as your security method. Once you get in here, you're going to see a couple of little changes. Now, by far the biggest change is, of course, the fact that you're going straight into the desktop. Now, while this option was available in Windows 8.1, it wasn't available with Windows 8, so a lot of people had to get around it using programs like Classic Shell. What's happened now is that you can actually go and click on this, and you will see a different start menu. It is a hybrid of the old Windows 7 start menu and the Windows 8 start screen. Namely, you have what you would expect to see in a start menu, things like all of your apps. There's a little search bar here, there are a few apps here, and then of course over on the right, these are live tiles. Well, not just live tiles, but regular tiles as well. But regardless, they are the tiles that you would have seen in Windows 8 on your full start screen, and it's all sort of combined in this one nice, neat, little pretty package, which is fantastic. Now, one of the big changes that we like here as well is the power button is implemented right here in the start screen, which is really great to see. We're really happy with that. When you click on, it'll actually bring down a couple of options for you. And you'll see sleep, shutdown, and restart are in there. The other big change here with Windows 10 that we really like is it used to be when you clicked on a Metro app, and the Metro apps are the apps that you can download through the App Store, through the Microsoft Store. The way that they would work is you would actually click on it, and then essentially it would be full screen. Well, one of the changes with Windows 10 now is that those apps still look like the Metro apps, but they are no longer full screen. So they open up just like any other app, and they give you the options at the top here, and you can actually go and minimize, close, do whatever you want from right here along the top, which is fantastic. It's going to eliminate a lot of problems for a lot of people. So that's the Windows 10 Technical Preview. So we just wanted to take a look at a couple of quick things here, nothing major, but we are really happy with the direction that Microsoft has taken here. They've made up for a lot of the problems in Windows 8, which is fantastic. It's great to see. So we're really happy about that. We look forward to trying out, I'm sure, future technical previews of Windows 10, but we are really looking forward to the operating system being released next year. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.